Tired of plain, boring Discord messages that get ignored? Learn to format text with bold, italics, and more in under 3 minutes. We'll cover the 5 essential formats: italic, bold, underline, strike-through, and spoiler. Each has a button and a markdown shortcut. First, go ahead and open up Discord on your computer. Then, click inside the text box to get ready to type. Now type the word italic in the text box. Next, highlight that word by clicking and dragging over it. Then, click the italicized I button in the formatting toolbar. This wraps your text in single asterisks, like italic. Hit Enter to send the message and see the result. Click back into the text box for the next example. Type the word bold. Select it with your cursor. Now click the B button, which adds double asterisks, like bold. Press Enter to send. Type underline in the text box. Highlight it. Click the U with an underline button. This wraps text in double underscores, like underline. Send it by hitting Enter. Now type strike-through. Select the text. Click the S with strike-through button, which uses double tildes, like strike-through. Hit Enter to see it crossed out. Next, highlight the word you just typed, or type a new one, and click the highlight button to add a background color. Now type spoiler in the text box. Select it and click the spoiler button, which wraps text in double vertical bars, like spoiler. Finally, click the eye icon to preview the hidden text, then hit Enter to send. And that's how text formatting works in Discord. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.